Hi guys, good morning. So that's Binay
Hello,
in the
good
background.
morning.
तो फाइनली बिनय आ गए हैं. वी आर हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स मांगर एंड मांगर इज़ अबाउट 36 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम द्वारका जहाँ मैं रहता हूँ. सो दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी आवर फर्स्ट रन ऑफ द ईयर. इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ ट्रेल. आई वुड नॉट से अ ट्रेल. कैसा है
Trail.
ऑफ रोड टाइप्स है. सो दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ फर्स्ट रन एंड सुपर एक्साइटेड. लास्ट 3-4 एडिशन से हम लोग यहाँ पे जा रहे हैं एंड Binay is representing India for the last 3 years. He's one of the finest ultra runners of India. So meet Binay again. So बस यार अभी गाड़ी में बैठ रहे हैं. It's about 5:40 in the morning. So we are trying to hit there in maybe next 1 hour. 7 o'clock we'll start the race. So बस चले भाई गाड़ी में बैठते हैं. We are थोड़ा सा लेट हो गए. Catch you. So guys, we have reached the start point and so there are categories 14, 28, 56 and 84. So Binay, आपने जो देखा मेरे साथ, Binay is doing of course 84. मैं 56 attempt कर रहा हूँ. Last year I did not run any event, so this is going to my first event of this year 2021. Pretty excited and nervous as well. बिकॉज बिल्कुल इन फॉर्म नहीं हूँ मैं. द मैक्सिमम व्हाट आई हैव रन इज़ 30 किलोमीटर्स एट अ गो दिस ईयर एंड दिस टाइम इट्स स्ट्रेट अवे इट्स ऑलमोस्ट द डबल 56 किलोमीटर्स. लेट्स सी. द आइडिया इज़ टू फिनिश द रन एंड टू बी एबल टू स्टैंड एट द एंड ऑफ द रेस. बस यही है एंड देन लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज़. सी यू इन अ व्हाइल. जस्ट अबाउट टू स्टार्ट नाउ. आ गए. Okay guys, good luck Heyman, good luck Binay, good luck Kapil, good luck. How are you? So good to see you.
All the best.
All the best. Yeah.
Thank you.
So just starting guys. So guys, this time the loop is of 7 kilometers. हर बार ये 14 का loop होता है, 14 in and 14 out. बट बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड एंड एवरीथिंग थोड़ा छोटा कर दिया लूप. सो इट्स 7 in 7 out एंड दैट्स हाउ द ट्रेल लुक्स लाइक. I'm about to reach the first U-turn, so I'm gonna complete 7K. Thank you. Took a U-turn and going back to the starting point. That will complete 14K. इसी तरह से 4 loops करने हैं. Let's see. For now, body is responding well. Yeah. Done with 14K. इधर. Right. कहीं से भी घुमा लेते हैं. Here, complete 21. That is half marathon distance. So, going good. धूप आ चुकी है अब यार, and it's getting hotter now. It's important to hydrate this time. So every 3.5 kilometers they have this 8 stations wherein you get everything to eat.
Only
Like we have
material.
food, chocolates,
Oh, fast enough.
biscuit, toffee, santra. So back on the loop. इसको complete करते हुए I'll be finishing 28. So I'll have to do 2 more of these loops. Things are getting definitely tougher because of weather conditions, but that's the challenge of any run. So that's the beauty.
Chalo.
Look at these kids doing so great. You are the champions. Wow, look at that. So guys, done with 2 loops, 28 done. Just अपनी जैकेट उतार दी अब मैंने, बहुत गर्मी हो गई है. It's exactly 10 o'clock right now. So I'm expecting another 3.5 hours में. If I'm able to complete it, then it should be by 1:30 it should be over. Right, let's just trying to keep the heart rate normal. It's going high because of sudden heat, but that's how it is. Yeah. So when you do long distances, ऐसे patches आते हैं wherein you do not have anybody, right? You're all alone, and there will be some patches because धीरे धीरे people start to losing their energy. So that's the fun of ultra runs. So that's Bhuppi sir coming. He's one of the most veteran runners. He has been running for last 30 years. हमारे idol नहीं है. And he always inspires. He never fails to inspire us actually. Good going sir. कितना 84?
मैं 56
Obviously 56 कर रहे हैं. Last loop है?
नहीं, ये तीसरा पूरा होगा.
चलिए आ रहा हूँ मैं अभी. मेरा भी तीसरा होगा फिर नेक्स्ट लूप 56.
56
जी
अभी तीसरा हो रहा है.
हाँ जी होगा, ख़त्म करके आता हूँ.
आगे यार.
आ रहा हूँ.
चलो.
Going. So that's the real fun of the sport, running. You get to make so many friends, and all across India. छोटी सी community है, and we all, mostly know each other. We just feel so good to meet each other. अगर साल में एक बार भी मिल रहे हैं, so that's a kind of bonding we make, and that's what I love about this sport. Hi guys. Hi. See, that's how you pass, smile, say hi, and just cheer each other. There is no competition. It's just fun. Yeah. So running, that's why I always say running is not a competition, not anything else, but a lifestyle. Right? I just love it. So that's the 35k mark, right? And there is an again aid station. यहीं पे रुका था मैं last time. Once we finish this loop, I will be finishing 42, which is a full marathon distance. I'll be happy to finish my first full marathon distance of the year. And फिर देखते हैं यार, last loop कर सकते हैं कि नहीं. So guys, done with 42 kilometers. Very happy. Just going to the last and the final lap, another 14. I think it should not take more than 2 hours. हाँ यार, काफ़ी बुरी हालत है अभी. Let's see. The idea was to finish the race. I'll definitely do that. So guys, 50 kilometers done in 5 hours 22 minutes. Going pretty well. I did not expect myself to do this well. Really, I'm really happy. 6 more kilometers to go and then I'm done. Right. So see you at the finish line. That's our official photographer.
Thank you
Atul.
very much.
ये सबकी पिक्चर्स खींचते रहते हैं, इनकी पिक्चर कोई नहीं खींचता.
So sweet of you. Thank you very much. I am honored.
Thanks भाई, हमेशा. And I'm so happy to finish this 56 यार, एकदम उम्मीद नहीं थी, and in good 6 hours 10 minutes I've been able to finish. So very happy.